Hi guys, Tiffany here with a Cosplay Tool Spotlight over Cos-Tools Hole Drills. And this hole drill set is specifically designed to help you with cutting small circles into EVA foam. The kit includes 5 different pieces, 3 of which are hole drills, and they come with the hole size of 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch. And the other 2 pieces included in this kit are the actual base for holding your drill size, as well as a clear plastic piece on top that'll scroll up and down to help stabilize when you're cutting so you can cut evenly. To use the device, you will want to take the base with the plastic clear part, have it upward so the male metal rod in the center will face upwards. Then you're going to take whatever size drill you would like to use and hold it upside down. You will see that there is a small circle in the center with a black spring around it. This is where the silver male piece of your base is going to insert into the female section of the drill. There is also 2 little tabs on either side of the drill, as well as for the base, there is also 2 negative cutout parts for those pieces to align with when you put the 2 pieces together. Then you will put the 2 pieces together and it will hit the bottom and you will want to rotate it so it will lock in place. And now you're ready to cut. And for this demonstration, I'm going to be using 4mm EVA foam, but I have used these to cut up to 12mm foam. You will want something underneath your EVA foam when you're using these drills, so that way it does not ruin your table. So you can either use a cutting board, or as the company recommends, using a foam board, so that way your hole drills will stay sharper for longer. To first start off, you're going to want to use this having the end of the drill facing downward towards your EVA foam to screw the clear plastic piece so it sits flush with your foam, and then put the tool down onto it and hold the clear plastic part in place and screw clockwise the top part of your tool. This is going to slowly lower the tool into your EVA foam and giving you a perfectly cut circle in the end. And to release the circle from the tool, there is a button at the back of the holder part, and you will push it and it will pop out the circle into your hand. Now, let's be real. First thing I did when I got the tools is I took off the plastic clear part because I found I could just use my own pressure of my hand pushing it into the EVA foam and it would still cut the foam just as well. But sometimes your circles may be slightly crooked, but in the end, it's a lot less time to do this way. These tools are definitely a lifesaver for me for my EVA foam work. They work great for doing jump rings, as well as making small little rivets, so you no longer have to use those googly eyes. And that's pretty much it on the Cos-Tools Hole Drill kit. And I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments what you're going to use this kit for on your own cosplay work, as well as like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you for our next tool spotlight. Later, guys!